So now you learned how to blend oil pastels together, and you're going to take that knowledge and we're going to create 3D pipes with blending. So let me show you how to do that. First, here are my 2 examples. What we always need to do first is our sloppy copy or our sketch. So here I'm writing my name on here, and I'm going to sketch out, oh, wrong side, bad Miss Miller. So I'm going to write my name on this paper on the back side, which is the side with the writing, which you don't need to pay attention to. And then I'm going to sketch out my sloppy copy on here. You may use a ruler if you would like to. A ruler will probably actually make this better. There's a sheet that you can look off of for how to draw different pipes. So here's a straight one, a curved one, a little combining one, intersecting one, a spigot on that one, and a really long straight one. So you can make your pipes however you want to. I think since this is my sloppy copy that I'm just going to draw it without a ruler. Now you can add details too, like maybe I want like that one, some line coming out of it, or maybe I'll make it into fire in this one, coming out of there. Maybe I want a little spider web on here. I don't know. What do you think? Little spider on here. Climbing down. It's up to you. You can add details of what you think is going to be on your 3D pipes. So then you're going to take your sketch and you're going to take your time and you're going to redraw it nicely on here. So here I'm going to take my time more. So I'm going to look at my sloppy copy and I'm going to use my ruler to draw my lines a little more precisely than what I did on my sloppy copy. Okay, so now you're going to blend this in once you have your sloppy copy drawn. So you're going to take 3 or 4 different oil pastel colors to color this in. I am going to use orange, yellow, red, and white as my blender. So you're first going to start to color in lightly. Like I said, if they're dirty, you can wipe them off on a paper towel. So you color in lightly. And you want to overlap. Still coloring in lightly. Add in my red, and then I'm going to go back to adding in my orange, so it's blending from one color to the next. Try to stay in your lines, and you can color your little connecting part of your pipe a different color too. So here I'm going to now go in pressing harder with that oil pastel since I overlap them and I can blend. Now I'm going to take my white and I'm going to, in some areas maybe where I want it to highlight it, I'm going to add the white to blend it and make it even lighter. Okay? So now you're going to go in and color the rest of this in with oil pastels. And as I said, if you're getting chunks like this on here, you don't want to brush it off because it's going to smear all over your paper. You want to either blow it off or tap it off. I'm on to coloring my next 3D pipe in, so I'm going to use different colors. You do not have to use the same colors for the whole thing. So I'm going to use blue and purple and white as my blender.
This, boys and girls, is how you make it.
There you go.